Fear. Fear is nothing but an illusion, and those who master it rule the world. Now, imagine a person who is not afraid of rejection, not afraid of failure, and completely unfazed by others' people's opinions. These are the people who either rule empires or become immortal in history. But the real question is, how do you build this fearless mindset? Is there a secret psychological formula that high achievers like Andrew Tate or unstoppable conquerors like Genghis Khan follow? Today, we shall uncover powerful tactics from dark psychology, anime villains, and the ancient warrior mindset that can eliminate your fear and turn your mindset into a weapon. Step 1. Understand fear. Fear is not a reality, it's just an illusion created by your mind. You see, your brain has primitive survival system designed to protect you from wild animals thousands of years ago. But in today's world, fear has become a psychological chain. It doesn't protect you anymore, it holds you back. Take Genghis Khan for example. Before the first battle, he gave his soldier a brutal truth. Fear is the first sign of death. If you want to live, you must murder your fear. Those who never defeat their fears never unlock their true potential. Step 2. Master fear like anime villains. In dark psychology, powerful people don't just eliminate fear. They create fear in others. True power is not just strength. It's psychological dominance. Take Madara Uchiha from Naruto. He didn't just win battles with power. He injected fear just by showing up. When enemies heard his name, their confidence shattered. They lost before the fight even began. This is the dark psychological tactic. Make people fear you before they even fight you. Step 3. Reprogram your mind for unshakable confidence. To become fearless, you need to reprogram your mind. Confident people carry one hidden mindset. I fear nothing because I have already lost. Now, I have nothing left but to win. When fear of failure disappears, you become unstoppable. As Andrew Tate says, people don't understand confidence. No one gives it to you. You build it yourself. Start by doing rejection training. Break your comfort zone every day. Do one thing that scares you. Talk to a stranger. Start a tough conversation. Try something uncomfortable. Face one fear every single day. The more resistance you face, the stronger you become mentally. Step 4. Control fear and rule your mind. The most dangerous people in the world are not the loudest or strongest. They are the ones who feel emotions but never let emotions control them. Fear, anger, sadness. These are human, but the moment you become a slave to them, you lose control of your life. Here's one simple rule. Feel your emotion but never let them decide for you. Next time you feel fear, don't ignore it. Observe it, understand it, but never act on impulse. Use fear like an alarm. Let it alert you, but never let it drive you. Take Johann Liebert, for example. He was unstoppable because his mind was always calm, always calculated. He understood emotions but was never manipulated by them. The most dangerous thing, he turned fear into a weapon. He wasn't just fearless, he knew how to plant fear into the minds of others. Final word, rule fear or be ruled by it. Remember this, the people who rule the world master one thing above all. So if you want more dark psychology, anime tactics, and unstoppable mindset tips, subscribe now and hit the bell icon. Like my video and share to your friends. Thank you for watching.